Hello students, today we will start with the lecture 8 of Italy Unified. How Italy was unified by different ruler against the different empires. Italy unification is also a major question that can be asked in the board exam with the German unification and Italy unification. Of Italy unification, here you can see an outline map of Italy. This is the outline map of Italy. Yes students, I will give you how Italy unification was there in a proper note section and in an answer section, but let us first discuss how it was unified. इसको पहले समझ लेते हैं कैसे ये एक मेन कंट्री के रूप में आकर खड़ा हुआ या फिर एक कंट्री बना जो कि डिफरेंट डिफरेंट शासन व्यवस्था के अंतर्गत या डिफरेंट डिफरेंट रीजन्स के में शामिल था. Here you can see that the Italy is divided into three parts, that is the 1, 2, 3. The first part of North Austrian Habsburg Empire. In the middle part it is the Papal State, and the third one, this is the lower part or the southern part, south part, that is the Bourbon under the Bourbon kings of the Spain, or we can say the kingdom of both Sicilies. Only Italy had these टू पार्ट. तो इटली था, इटली में ओरिजिनल ओनली ये सार्डिनिया पिडीमोंट वाला जो पार्ट था वो इटालियन के कंट्रोल में था. बाकी सारे पार्ट्स अलग अलग एम्पायर्स के अंदर शामिल हुए थे. अब सार्डिनिया पिडीमोंट वाज आल्सो एन इटालियन प्रिंसली स्टेट. अब हाउ इट वाज यूनिफाइड इनटू अ सिंगल नेशन और सिंगल बाउंड्री लाइन ऑफ द कंट्री. Italy was unified in 1861. This is the main year when it was unified. The Italy was unified in 1861. But before it, what is the story of its unification? इसकी unification में majorly you can see the three main persons are there. Who are they? Three important personalities that are Giuseppe Mazzini, Chief Minister Cavour, and Giuseppe Garibaldi. One more, who was the king Victor Emmanuel II. He was also the main participant in the unification of the Italy. The revolutionaries in 1830 organized different young Italy and secret society against the Italy for the combination, or we can say for a unified nation state of Italy. Giuseppe, again I am talking about it, that important personalities were Giuseppe Mazzini, King Victor Emmanuel II, Chief Minister Cavour, Giuseppe Garibaldi. And what was the role of these one in the unification of the Italy? अब इटली का जो ये पार्ट था, द नॉर्थ ऑस्ट्रियन हैब्सबर्ग एम्पायर. ये नॉर्थ ऑस्ट्रियन हैब्सबर्ग एम्पायर ऑस्ट्रिया के कंट्रोल में था. बट what happened? King Victor Emmanuel took the responsibility of what? Unification of unification of Italy. अब यूनिफिकेशन ऑफ इटली जब उन्होंने अपनी जिम्मेदारी ली थी, एट द टाइम चीफ मिनिस्टर was the Cavour, Camel Cavour, his name was there, Cavour. He gave the responsibility to Cavour. He was a diplomat. He was neither a revolutionary, neither a army person, but chief minister, we can say he is the mind of the Italy unification. He is the mind. So he had the responsibility of unification. His terms with the फ्रांस के साथ इसके टर्म्स बहुत अच्छे थे, इसलिए कैवोर ने फ्रांस से मिलकर ऑस्ट्रिया के ऊपर हमला किया और उसको हरा दिया. They attacked to the Austrian Austrian with the help of the French army. So what happened? This north area was under the control of Italian Empire, or we can say King Victor Emmanuel II. Now the southern part which was under the control of Bourbon kings of the Spain, kingdom of both the Sicilies. In this, what happened? The Giuseppe Mazzini had a very important role in unification of this empire, this section of empire. He went there, he organized support of local people, peasants and successful to drive out Spanish ruler. यहाँ से जो साउथ से जो स्पेनिश रूलर है उनको ड्राइव आउट करने में उन्होंने लोकल लोगों की, लोकल पीपल का हेल्प ली. जो लोकल पीपल थे वो भी चाहते थे कि उनके जो लैंग्वेज है, उनके जो एथनिक ग्रुप है, उनका ही एक कंट्री के रूप में वो डेवलप हो पाए. देयरफॉर दे हेल्प दी Giuseppe Garibaldi. In this movement, what happened? The kings of Spanish was overruled by Giuseppe Garibaldi, and this part of South or Deccan part was also reunited with the Italy. Now, what happened to the center part? The central was under the control of Pope state, or this was also called as Papal state. What did they thought? They thought just to give away their powers and unite with the Italy unification. So in this manner, the three forms which were under the control of different empires, now it was unified in 1861, and unified Italy was formed, and King Victor Emmanuel II became the emperor of Italy, or the king of the Italy. One of the word is here also given in your book, that maximum people of the illiterates were unaware of the nationalist ideology. इसके बारे में वो जानते नहीं थे nationalist ideology के बारे में. What is a capital state or what is a unified state? They were very illiterate. Therefore, some of the people of southern Italy thought about that Italia. Italian means it. They thought that it refers to the wife of Victor Emmanuel II, that is La Telia. So that was only a thinking about them, but it was not a right thing. So in this way you can see that Italy was unified in 1861 with the help of the four main persons: Giuseppe Mazzini, King Victor Emmanuel II, Chief Minister Cavour, and Giuseppe Garibaldi. So these question may be asked in a 5 marks question also, or the different roles of different persons, that role of Garibaldi, role of Cavour, or role of Giuseppe Mazzini in the unification of Italy. Thank you.